In this video, I will show you how to turn Google SafeSearch off. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Google SafeSearch is a feature on Google Chrome which basically filters results and blurs explicit material. Now if you want to go ahead and turn this off, all you need to do is open up a Chrome browser, come across to Google, and once you're on google.com, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to see an option for settings. Give that a click and this is going to bring up a menu like this, and what you want to do is click onto search settings. Once you're on the search settings, on this page you're going to see an option for SafeSearch underneath the content section. Give that a click and this way you can come to turn SafeSearch off. So as you can see, you've got an option for filter or blur, but there's also an option for off, which means this is going to show all relevant results even if they're explicit. So just click that option and that's basically going to turn off SafeSearch. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.